Assalamu alaikum. Good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Thank you very much for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about myself. This is Sharm in front of you. I am from Khagrachari, but currently I live at Jamtuli in Diginala. Actually, I am a student. I am studying in degree second year at Diginala God Degree College. I am doing a foundation English course at Englishala Academy, as well as I am a student of Englishala Academy. Basically, I am a sports lover. I love to play football. I like to read English storybooks in my free time. It's improved my English level. I enjoy traveling, watching movie on my holidays. It gives me pleasure. I don't like smoking, wasting time and fast food. I don't like dishonest, liar and drug addicted people. I want to be a lawyer in future. Thank you very much. Please forgive me if I have any mistake. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.